Don't travel without this if you have a green card. If you're a U.S. green card holder planning international travel, there's one essential thing you must not forget. Failing to carry the proper documentation or prepare ahead can lead to major complications upon your return to the U.S., including delays, denial of entry, or even jeopardizing your permanent resident status. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through to the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. Are you a U.S. green card holder planning an international trip in 2025? Before you pack your bags, there are some crucial things you need to know to avoid surprises at the border. 1. Why green card holders need to be extra prepared. As a green card holder, you have the right to live and work in the U.S., but international travel comes with specific rules. Recent changes in immigration enforcement mean heightened scrutiny at U.S. borders, so preparation is key. Let's break down what you need to know. Green card and a passport. As a lawful permanent resident, you can generally re-enter the U.S. after traveling abroad, as long as you haven't violated any laws or stayed outside the U.S. for too long. According to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, you'll need specific documents to re-enter the U.S. smoothly. Let's go over the must-haves. 2. Essential documents to carry. Here's your checklist of documents you must carry when traveling internationally as a green card holder. Valid green card, Form I-551. This is your golden ticket. To re-enter the U.S., make sure it's not expired. If it's close to expiring, renew it before you leave. Valid passport. You will need a passport from your country of citizenship, valid for at least 6 months from your travel date. Reentry permit. If needed planning to stay abroad for more than a year, apply for a reentry permit using Form I-131 before you leave. This helps prove you're not abandoning your U.S. residency. Proof of U.S. ties. Documents like U.S. tax returns, property deeds, or bank statements can show you intend to return to the U.S. This is super important if you're gone for more than 6 months. Pro tip. Keep digital copies of these documents in a secure cloud storage, just in case. And if your green card is lost or stolen abroad, contact the nearest U.S. embassy and file Form I-131A for carrier documentation. 3. Key travel tips to avoid issues. Now, let's talk about how to avoid trouble at the border. Here are 5 tips to keep in mind. Limit absences to under 6 months. Staying outside the U.S. for more than 6 months can raise questions about whether you're maintaining your residency. If you must stay longer, get that reentry permit. Avoid travel if you have a criminal history. Even minor offenses can trigger scrutiny. Be cautious with social media. U.S. Customs and Border Protection may check your social media for content they deem concerning, like support for certain political causes. Be mindful of what you post. Know your rights at the border. CBP officers can search your belongings and devices, but you're not required to answer questions unrelated to your immigration status. Stay calm and polite to avoid delays. Apply for global entry. If you travel often, global entry can speed up your reentry process. It's a CBP program that pre-screens travelers for faster clearance. 4. Risks to be aware of. Under stricter immigration policies in 2025, green card holders may face increased scrutiny, especially if you're from certain countries or have been involved in activities like pro-Palestinian protests. 5. Visa-free travel destinations. On a lighter note, did you know green card holders can visit around 38 countries visa-free? Places like Canada, Mexico, and the Caribbean are great options. Just make sure to check each country's entry requirements, like proof of onward travel or a valid passport. Example, you can stay in Georgia for up to 90 days or the British Virgin Islands for 30 days without a visa. Always confirm with the country's embassy before you go. So, green card holders, don't let travel stress you out. With the right documents, careful planning, and awareness of your rights, you can explore the world confidently. Traveling as a permanent resident comes with responsibilities, and a little preparation goes a long way in protecting your status. Whether it's having valid reentry documents or understanding how long you can stay abroad, being informed ensures peace of mind. So before you pack your bags, make sure you've packed the most important thing, your legal readiness. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.